This is the THULE XT XL NG 500 litre roof box, which I bought around August 2020. It was pretty expensive at around 650 euros. The Toureg comes with roof bars already, so did not have to fork out any extra for those, thank goodness. I bought the cover separately from eBay. It was around about 30 euros plus some postage. What I'm showing you today is the trolley system I bought from the car store to store this absolute beast of a roof box, and it is a beast. Thule does sell accessories which let you attach to a wall or to the ceiling of a garage, but I wanted something I could roll in and out of the storage room nice and easy. So what I'm going to show you now is the unit stores the roof box in a vertical upright position, and by twisting a lever on the side of the trolley you can move the roof box into a more comfortable horizontal position. This makes it easier to lift the roof box onto the roof of the Toureg whenever you're ready to go. Again, there's a lever on the side which allows me to put the box back into a vertical position again for storage. Overall, it's a very comfortable way of managing the roof box.